Capsicum, Allen's keynotes, Sandpiper family, Solanaceae. Persons with light hair, blue eyes, nervous but stout and plethoric habit. Phlegmatic diathesis, lack of reactive force, especially with fat people, easily exhausted, indolent, dreads any kind of exercise, persons inclined to be jovial, yet get angry at trifles. Children dread open air, always chilly, refractory, clumsy, fat, dirty, and disinclined to work or think. Desires to be let alone, wants to lie down and sleep. Homesickness with red cheeks and sleeplessness. Constriction in fauces, throat, nares, chest, bladder, urethra, rectum. Burning and smarting sensation as from sandpaper in throat and other parts. Tonsillitis with burning, smarting pain, intense soreness, constriction of throat with burning, inflamed dark red swollen. The burning spasmodic constriction and other pains, worse between acts of deglutition. Painful swelling behind the ear, extremely sore and sensitive to touch. Every stool is followed by thirst and every drink by shuddering. As the coldness of the body increases, as also does the ill humor. Nervous spasmodic cough in sudden paroxysm as if head would fly to pieces. With every explosive cough, and at no other time, there escapes a volume of pungent, fetid air. Pain in distant parts on coughing. Relations, compare Apis, belladonna, Bryennia, Caladium, pulsatilla. Senna follows well in intermittent fever. The constricting, burning, smarting pains differentiate from Apis and belladonna. Capsicum, Boric materia medica, seems to suit specially persons of lax fiber, weak, diminished vital heat, a relaxed, plethoric, sluggish, cold remedy. Not much reactive force. Such persons are fat, indolent, opposed to physical exertion, averse to go outside of their routine, get homesick easily. General uncleanliness of body. Abstainers from accustomed alcoholics. It affects the mucous membranes, producing a sensation of constriction, inflammation of petrous bone, burning pains and general chilliness. Older people who have exhausted their vitality, especially by mental work and poor living, blear-eyed appearance, who do not react. Fear of slightest draught. Marked tendency to suppuration in every inflammatory process. Prostration and rebel digestion of alcoholics. Myalgia, aching and churning of muscles. Mind. Excessive peevishness, homesickness with sleeplessness and disposition to suicide. Wants to be let alone, peppery disposition, delirium tremens. Head. Bursting headache, worse coughing, hot face, red cheeks, face red, tough cold. Ears, burning and stinging in ears, swelling and pain behind ears, inflammation of mastoid, tenderness over the petrous bone, extremely sore and tender to touch, otorrhea and mastoid disease before suppuration. Throat, hot feeling in fauces, subacute inflammation of eustachian tube with great pain, pain and dryness in throat extending to the ears, sore throat of smokers and drinkers, smarting in constriction, burning constriction worse between acts of deglutition, inflamed uvula and palate, swollen and relaxed, mouth, herpes labialis. Apply 1 drop of the mother tincture. Stomatitis, disagreeable smell from mouth, fetid odor from mouth. Stomach, Burning in tip of tongue, atonic dyspepsia, much flatulence, especially in debilitated subjects, intense craving for stimulants, vomiting, sinking at pit of stomach, much thirst, but drinking causes shuddering. Stool, bloody mucus with burning and tenesmus, drawing pain in back after stool, thirsty after stool with shivering. Bleeding piles with soreness of mucus, stinging pain during stool. Urine, strangury, frequent, almost ineffectual urging. Burning in orifice, comes first in drops, then in spurts. Neck of bladder spasmodically contracted, atropion of meatus. Male, coldness of scrotum with impotency, atrophied testicles, loss of sensibility in testicles with softening and dwindling, gonorrhea with caudy, excessive burning, pain in prostate. Female, climacteric disturbances with burning of tip of tongue, uterine hemorrhage near the menopause with nausea, sticking sensation in left ovarian region. Respiratory, constriction of chest, arrest breathing, in stagnate in the respiratory, constriction of chest, arrest breathing, hoarseness, pain at apex of heart or in rib region, worse touch, dry hacking coughs expelling an offensive breath from lungs, dyspnea, feels as if chest and head would fly to pieces, explosive cough, threatening gangrene of lung, pain in distant parts on coughing, bladder, legs, ears, etc. Extremities, pain from hips to feet, sciatica, worse bending backward, worse coughing, tensive pain in the knee. Fever, coldness with ill humor, shivering after drinking. Chill begins in back, better heat. Must have something hot to back. Thirst before chill. Modalities, better while eating from heat. Worse open air, uncovering draughts. Relationship, antidote, Senna, Caladium. Compare Pulsatilla, Lycopodium, Belladonna. Dose 3rd to 6th attenuation in delirium tremens, dram doses of tincture in milk or tincture of orange peel.